Ever looked up and wondered how that huge airplane stays in the sky? It's not magic. It's science, and today, we're going to break it down in the simplest way possible. There are four main forces that make flight possible: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Lift is the force that pulls the plane up into the sky. Weight is gravity pulling it down. Thrust pushes the plane forward, and that's what engines do. Drag is the air pushing back against the plane as it moves. So, for a plane to take off, the lift has to be greater than the weight, and the thrust has to be stronger than the drag. When that happens, boom, you're flying. But how does the plane create lift? Plane wings are shaped in a special way, curved on top and flatter underneath. This shape is called an airfoil. As the plane moves forward, air flows faster over the top of the wing and slower underneath. That creates lower pressure on top and higher pressure underneath, which literally pushes the wing upward. That's lift. The engines, or jet turbines, create thrust. Here's how: air goes in the front, gets compressed, mixed with fuel, and then ignited. The burning gases explode out the back, which pushes the plane forward. It's basically controlled explosions pushing a metal tube across the sky. Some planes use propellers instead of jets. They work differently, but the goal is the same: move a lot of air backwards so the plane moves forward. Now that we're flying, how do we stay in control? Planes have movable parts called control surfaces. There's the rudder on the tail, which turns the nose left or right. There are elevators, also on the tail, which make the nose go up or down. And then there are ailerons, little flaps on the wings that tilt the plane left or right. Using these, pilots can climb, descend, turn, and level out, basically steer the plane in any direction. What about stability? That's where the tail comes in. The horizontal stabilizer and the vertical fin help the plane stay balanced in the air, so it doesn't wobble all over the place. Without the tail, flight would be way harder to control. So how does landing work? It's the same forces, just in reverse. Pilots reduce thrust to slow down, lower the flaps on the wings to increase drag and lift at lower speeds, and gently angle the nose down to descend. Then the landing gear comes down, and if everything goes right, you touch down smooth as butter. Modern planes also use autopilot systems, which can manage many parts of the flight automatically, from cruising to even landing. But pilots are always in command and trained to take over in a heartbeat. And let's not forget pressurized cabins. At cruising altitudes, the air outside is too thin to breathe. Planes pump in pressurized air so you can sit comfortably while flying 35,000 feet above the ground. So next time you board a plane, remember, it's flying because of smart design, powerful engines, and a perfect balance of natural forces, all working together to lift you into the sky. From runway to touchdown, it's one of the coolest feats of engineering humans have ever pulled off. And now you know exactly how it works.